Hello everyone, this is Ed Weideman with MarineMax Columbia, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of a used 2006 Harris Super Sunliner 240 that we took in trade just recently. It has a Honda 135 and you can see the rear boarding ladder and rear entry. Here we are on board, and you can see the spacious seating around. Storage inside underneath the seats. Side storage there, probably perfectly acceptable for a trash can, a fire extinguisher. In the helm, there's even a little pump sink. At the helm, you have stereo system and all the controls needed for a day on the water. The bimini top, the boat also comes with a ski tow bar. It has both a full mooring cover and individual seat covers. So it has two ways to cover the boat. Again, from the front, thank you again for your time. And again, my name is Ed Weideman from MarineMax in Columbia. If you would like to see this boat or any of our boats in stock, both new and used, please call here at 803-732-1104. Thank you.